Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vaughan, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers helps make your moving experience as flawless, affordable, and timely as possible. Therefore, if you plan to move either within Vaughan or out of Canada, call us and discover what it's like to get excellent services. 3 Movers is a long-distance moving service provider that makes it across border and interstate moves with professionalism and gratification. The following are things to expect from our long-distance moving services: protection of your possessions using shrink wraps and blankets, accessible location of the moving trucks through computerized communication, a fleet of modernized, licensed, and insured trucks and vans, and storage facilities if the need arises. 3 Movers is a local moving service provider that treats every move, irrespective of the distance or size, as another special project on their to-do list. It is a highly acclaimed local moving company with many positive reviews. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vaughan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.